guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again for another tutorial. But today we're going to continue on with the protective style series. I am going to be doing one of my all-time favorite protective styles, whether you like them or not. They're coming today. I'm back to wigs for protective styles for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be rocking my wigs for a protective style. I'm going to show you how my hair is braided. It's just braided straight back in some cornrows. And in order to get your braids really flat, I don't do thin braids, because I hate undoing them things, like take too long. So I do like 6 thicker braids, and then I lay them down, I spray them down with mousse. I will film that for you guys if you want to see it. Just leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something that you want to see. But I spray it down with some mousse, and then I tie it down at night, and then my braids are super flat in the morning and ready for my wig. So today's wig is going to be from the Royal Swiss Lace Premium Lace Collection from Zury Sis. I saw this on Instagram. They had posted it and I was just so captivated. So we're gonna see if I'm captivated in person as I was on Instagram. This is a flawless pre-tweezed wig. It has a flawless pre-tweezed hairline, okay? This is the first one I'm seeing like this in synthetic wigs. So we gonna see. It's naturally blended edges, and I got it in the color 1B. The style is SW Lace H Hope. And I'm gonna show you the stock card. I might have to pull it out and show it. But that's what she looks like on the stock card. It's an unboxing today, guys, so y'all gonna get all of it. You're gonna see my first impression. So you see she's all wrapped up, so I'm gonna take the wrapping off. Right. Y'all, I'm about to be too cute. Ooh. Oh, I can't. Let me let y'all see what I'm seeing right now. I'm trying to put my hand up under. Do y'all see that hairline? Y'all, I'm gonna pop this on my head, y'all. I ain't playing with y'all. Not today. Not today. We are going to shut it down and leave a crime scene investigation for CSI, because I have a feeling she about to be. The texture of this wig is a light yaki texture, which I'm obsessed. Girl, this feels so realistic. It is so pretty. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna go into the cap construction. You get your 2 combs kind of in the temple area. It's a comb in the back, and then you have your elastic straps to fit it. I'm just gonna pop her on my head real quick so we can just see what it looks like without the, oh shit, y'all. Woo. So, y'all see that? Do y'all see this? I didn't even put any powder on. I'm gonna go cut the lace. I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just cut off my lace, and do y'all see that? Like what lace? I wanted to show you the option without doing anything extra to the wig, because I think that a lot of people that rock wigs are scared because they feel like you have to freak them so much. But this is out the box wig cut, lace cut. I really didn't do much to this. I did add a little powder already, but I'm just gonna show you what powder I use. I used the Super Stay Maybelline Full-Time Coverage powder. I don't have any words. I don't have any words. I am going to, just because I like for my hair to frame my face a little bit better, I'm gonna add a little bit of layers in the front with my razor brush. And This is optional. This is just how I like for my hair to lay. I like a little bit of layer in the front so I don't look completely Elvira-ish. But that look is in now, so if that's something that you like, then completely rock with it. One more. Y'all see that? All right, so I'm gonna brush that out, what I just did. Oh. So this is how long it is on me. I'm 5'7". It's like right under the boob area. The density on this is very, very natural. Like, I feel like this looks natural. Like, I don't have to do anything to this. Now, you could add baby hairs because, like I said, you have the whole. I'm not gluing this down. I just wanted to see what it was gonna look like with the minimum effort. So you could add baby hairs around here if you want to. Hey guys, I'm back. I just added a little bit of the Got to Be Glued Free Spray on like the little humpage area that I was getting in the front, just to lay it down. So you have seen me, I literally added just a few pieces. This, I am getting some shedding. Sorry, like my OCD just kind of kicked in with all this hair everywhere that I'm gonna have to sweep up. But I am getting some shedding, but light shedding though. It's not heavy, and I think it's mostly because of the lace cutting, but I think it will calm down the more and more you actually wear the wig. I am feeling this. I like a natural density wig. I don't like my wigs to be too thick because my face is thin, and sometimes thicker wigs just look wiggish on me, so I don't really care for them. But this wig, I got this off Sam's Beauty. I know I'm behind on giving you the specs on it, so I got it in the color 1B, but she comes in an assortment of different colors. I see a 99J that would be bomb for the fall, a toffee, a blonde, and the color on here is like an ombre effect. I pretty much keep my colors pretty basic. I like for my wigs to be as natural as possible. Okay, she's retailing right now for $37.94. I got her from Sam's Beauty, but they also have them on the other Wigtypes and Ebony line and Diva Tress, so catch her on that. She's $49.99 on Diva's Tress, so the other ones actually pretty much have her on sale. So this wig is okay, basically $40–50, and you getting some high quality. I love Zury wigs. They come out with really good wigs, and the hair is just affordable, and for what you're paying for, you get a really good quality synthetic wig. I did get a little bit of shedding, no tangles though, from a straight wig. Like I said, I like the density, and I highly recommend this wig for beginners, for people who don't really know much about. All you need to do is cut the lace off. That's it. Cut the lace off and you will be amazed. I really would like to see them come out with some bob styles because I've been into bobs lately. But this is gorgeous. I'm actually going out with my friend tonight to celebrate his birthday, so I got my hair already done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like seeing, I know you guys like seeing wig reviews. You've already let me know. So this is something I'm gonna have to keep doing for you, especially when I'm doing protective style. And as you can see, like, I am just blown away. This wig is super bomb. Like, super bomb. So yes, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as much as I did, I love this. I love wigs. I love like a basic wig that I'm going to go out of the house and rock, and this is one of them. So I'm really happy. Zury, y'all did this. Look, I ain't even got nothing else to say. If you want to see some more wig reviews from me, check out my next wig review. I'm gonna post it up here. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.